Welcome everyone to Forsage new getting started video. So to show you how to sign up under your member. So real quick, of course, guys, make sure that you have those who are using the computer, make sure you use MetaMask official site, metamask.io. This is the Ethereum cryptocurrency wallet that you have to download extension on your computer. Make sure you go to Google Chrome or Firefox, download extension, go to this website, actually download it. It's going to take you through the process to get started. Make sure when you get to the step where it says save your secret 12 seed words, make sure you back it up, email it to yourself, write them words down in the order from left to right till you get to the last word. Make sure you back it up, save it, and because that's the only way you will be able to recover your wallet and your funds. There's no other way. Um, I'm not responsible if you lose any of your funds by not backing up your 12C words. That's the only way you can recover your accounts. And they do have YouTube videos how to import and restore your 12C words, your MetaMask wallet. So they do have YouTube videos on how to restore your MetaMask wallet through your 12C words. So they keep that in mind just in case you need help with that. But for this video tutorial, let's get started. So basically, guys, I already got my MetaMask wallet downloaded. You can see my extension at the top here. I'm about to click on it. I logged in with my password. I already funded my account so I can get started with Forsage. It's going to cost approximately 0.05. I got a little extra funds there to cover the little small fees. So that's why you see a little extra. So real quick, I already got the referral link that I need. So I'm going to paste it here from the sponsor. I'm going to click enter. Okay, here got a new Forsage. Look, they've added much simpler. I love this because the last one, it was a little complicated for some people, but it's this right here, self-explanatory. Sign up right here is the blue button right there, or log in. If you already got an account, you can click log in. If you need to sign up, you click here. And of course, they got video marketing in the middle. For this video tutorial, and if you need to look up and read more additional information, you can read this little information here and explains to you what Forsage smart contract is. It is a decentralized project. So let's go ahead and click sign up. All right, this is normal. I already got my MetaMask wallet funded, so I sent my funds from Coinbase, or some people are using other payment processors. Whatever wallet you have, you can send it from there and fund it right in your MetaMask. And I got a video tutorial on that, especially with Coinbase. So let's click here, automatic login. That's the next step. Yep, so I'm confirming my upline sponsor ID. I'm gonna hit confirm. This is normal. Expect this spot to pull up. Forsage actually syncs the program with your MetaMask wallet. That's why you had to download the extension. So your earnings and everything that you accumulate gonna be coming in your MetaMask wallet. So let's hit confirm. Yes, I confirm that. If you don't have extra, guys, you could always click the button say added gas fee and choose average. They got slow, average, or fast. If you have an issue, it's saying funds not enough, insufficient funds, try to change the gas fee. And if that don't work, you have to add a little additional more funds to your MetaMask wallet so it can go through. So I'm gonna click here, the little fox. I'm gonna see is it pending or it's showing confirm. Yep, it's already showing confirm. You can see in the history, it has pulled 0.05 here. And it says right here, this is Etherscan. This is the receipt transaction platform. Just like if you had a bank account and you got a bank statement, of course, you see what's coming in and what's going out, right? But guess what? Etherscan is the transaction receipt. It shows what's going in and what's coming out. So this is their own platform for that. So real quick, I'm gonna go back to Forsage because I want to validate and log into my back office. I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds real quick or to a minute because I want to make sure it validates. And what I'm gonna do, guys, this is a quick way to try to log into your back office. You got two options. You can hit the little reload refresh page. I'm in Google Chrome browser, so I'm gonna just click on refresh button, reload button, and it should automatically log me into my back office. Yes, I got my own account, guys. This is my new ID number, so I'm gonna put that in my records here. I'm gonna go to my little fox. I named my wallet, so I'm gonna just hit I hit the three dots and I hit account details. I hit the little pencil and I called it Forsage Demo. I'm gonna put my ID number here for this account. Hit the check mark and that's it. And I named it. So I named my account. And now I see what's left. Now, real quick, I got my account here. This is real quick. My affiliate link is here. I can send this out and get other members in. I hit copy, then I log out, and then I can get other people in, show them how to download the MetaMask wallet, send them a video on that so they can do all that type of stuff. Also, guys, here go the compensation plan. Keep this in mind. Forsage X3, the people that comes through your referral link, of course, they do show up in both matrices, but you earn off directs here in X3. The first two always go to you, and the third one goes to your sponsor. So the first two will always pay you when they fill in the circle. The third one will always pass up to the sponsor. That's on every level. And to buy your level, to buy the next levels from earnings as people are coming in, our way of strategy is every time two people fill in, you should have enough funds to go to the next level. And all you do is hit the little shopping cart. So, and I'm gonna show you live. I'm gonna hit a little shopping cart. See that? Confirm purchase. If I hit OK, it'll automatically pull from my MetaMask wallet. But for this video, I'm not gonna do that at this moment. And of course, that's how you buy the next level. And Forsage X3, guys, the first two, I was told, the first two always pass up to the sponsor. The first three circles on the second line, 1, 2, 3, supposed to pay you directly in your wallet. And the sixth circle will actually pass up to your sponsor. On every level through Forsage X4. And this is for the community build. So guys, please keep that in mind. And finally, I want to share this with you real quick. Let me pull it up. As for the last point and the last part, I just want to share this Telegram group chat with you. This is where support is and everything like that. So I have joined it, and I will paste the link below in the description of this YouTube video. So if you want to join the Telegram group, you can ask questions and stuff like that. And the admin and all of them is in this actual chat. And they have been helping and been keeping us up to date when the site is down, what's going on, stuff like that, which is good. And they're very informative on a lot of things, and they have helped. So just want to share that as the last note. And please, guys, get back with the person that shared this video with you. And welcome to Forsage. You should be in. Of course, recap, your affiliate link is here. It'll show your earnings here. Of course, the funds never shows up in Forsage back office. They always will show up in your wallet. When you buy levels from profit from people coming behind you, keep in mind, guys, when you buy, it's going to subtract from your wallet. That's normal. The earnings going to only show here, but it's not going to show what's been subtracted here in the earnings. It's going to only show from your wallet. So just keep that in mind. That's finally conclude this video. Thank you for watching.